Alright, let's see if we can notice any difference. Whoa! Hey, buddy! Hi! Are you shoveling snow?
Yeah.
Good job. It's Alex. Are you eating snow? Licking snow? So, this is the blizzard. The whole neighborhood's out here helping. And that's our roof. There's a window back there somewhere. I know, that's a lot of snow on the roof. What are they saying? There's actually people jogging out there. See that, Grace? Some morons over there running.
Oh my god, how can they be running?
Where'd they go?
I see your doggies too.
There they are, morons.
Daddy!
Yes! Everybody's pitching in.
That is so funny. That dog.
Yeah.
Hey Dad, I want to see the joggers.
I think they're all gone.
That dog loves the snow.
Oh yeah.
Goodness.
And this is what we have left. Take a little break before we tackle the front walkway.
Daddy!
Yes. Are you shoveling snow? Good job. All right, put it back right where we just moved it from. Good job. Uh-oh. How you doing, Sweet Pea? Whoa!
Daddy!
Yes.
Daddy!
Are you getting all snow cleared?
Try.
All right, bub. You say bye-bye.
Try.